Hi everybody, welcome back to Barry Cubing 101. My name is Joe, I'm your host, the Barry Cuber. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve and understand the Mosaic cube. It looks a whole lot more complicated than it is, but once you understand a few of the basic fundamentals, which we're going to go over before the tutorial, you'll see that it's not as complicated as you might think it is. So, sorry about my voice. I know it's kind of messed up. I've been sick for the last couple of weeks. But you know, that's not going to stop us from continuing our cubing lessons. So if you have the cube, go ahead and scramble it up or keep it in solved form, and you can follow along with the fundamental section of it. So all right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the Mosaic cube. The first thing that we're going to understand is that this is based on dino moves. So what a dino move is a it's a move like this, okay, and it can either be performed clockwise, okay, or counterclockwise. And with this cube, there's two options. You can do a small dino move, which is just this little corner right here, or you can do a larger dino move, which incorporates the next layer. Okay, so this way and this way. Okay, and again, those are large. This is a large dino move like this, and a small dino move like that. Also, we're going to be doing setup moves. So sometimes this cube requires you to do a setup move, and a setup move, like I explained to you in previous videos before, where you're going to have to do a setup move where, say, you're going to bring this piece into this position. And then you'll start an algorithm. But every time you do a setup move, you're going to want to undo that move when you're done with the algorithm. And basically, what we're going to do here is we're going to work on all the corners first. We're going to orientate all the corners. We'll start on the white. And then after that, we'll quickly and very easily be able to get the rest of these four corners. And another thing that you need to understand is, and the next step would be, we're going to work on all the centers here. And so let's just take, for example, this white-blue piece. Well, it's one piece with two stickers on it, so I can't separate this blue from this white, no more than I can separate this orange from this yellow. Okay, so remember, it's one piece, this one and this one, with two stickers on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and scramble it up and we'll get started. Okay, folks, so this is what the Mosaic cube looks like when it's all scrambled up. And again, it just looks a whole lot more complicated than it really is. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate any white piece. Let's just use this one. And let's get another one and rotate this into position and see if this is correct. Although we have white to white, this green is not going to match up with this blue. So I know that this face right here cannot be the white face. So let's go ahead and see if we have any better luck by rotating this piece upwards, where we have white matching white and green matching green. Okay, so we do. And from here, it's so easy to get all the rest of the corners, because all you have to do is just rotate them into position, because they're just going to match up. Okay, so we have blue matching blue, orange matching orange, green matching green, and red matching red. And from here, you just turn the rest of these corners until they match their respective colors. Okay, so just like that. See how easy that is? You just get all those corners matching up. Okay, so the next step is to get all these whites, the blues, and the reds, and so on all together. And remember, it's one piece with two stickers on it. Okay, so this white-green piece actually doesn't belong here. It belongs over here on the white-green side. So we can just go ahead and bring this down, turn that in, bring this back, and bring this back. We did this all with large dino moves. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for all the rest of them. Here's a white red. Okay, so the red goes over here. So just go ahead and bring that down. Turn that up. Return this. and return this. And remember, you always want to return it so that here's a white red. Okay, so the red goes over here. So just go ahead and bring that down. Turn that up. And remember, you always want to return it so that all the corners remain matching. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this orange one in its correct position. Okay, and we'll put this blue one in its correct position. That's good. And we're going to put this green one in its correct position. Right. Okay, so now we have all four of the centers matching. And we're going to do the same thing for this corner, and this corner, this corner, and this corner. It looks like this one is already in its correct position. This orange green is already in its correct position. So all we have to do is really here is deal with putting this one over here. We just bring this down, pop that in, return that, return this. And this one is in its correct position. How about the blue-red? The blue-red's over here. So I want to bring it up this way first, bring this down, return that, and return this. And the reason why I brought it up instead of bringing it down is because if I brought it down, I would have put this one in this position, which I don't want to do because it was already correct. So instead I brought, like, you know, an empty slot in. So when you're done with the top and you're done with the middle, which we are, we're going to flip it upside down so the white's on the bottom, and we're going to work on this piece, this one, and this one. So the first thing I like to do is just rotate the cube and see if any of them are in their correct position, like this orange-red. This one's in its correct position, so that's great. So which one of these pieces has the furthest distance to travel? Well, it looks like it's the green-yellow. It would have to travel from here to here to here to be in its correct position. So anytime something has a furthest distance to travel, we're going to meet it right in the middle. So this time we're going to take this piece, or it's one piece with two stickers on it. So this piece, we're going to put it in this position. The one that has the furthest distance to travel is this yellow-green, so we're going to put it in this position. We're going to return this and return that. And now all the corners and all the centers are all solved. Okay, so you have all your corners and all your centers are all correct. Okay, let's move on to the next step. In this step, we're going to have to understand that we're going to have to do small dino moves, okay? And we're going to have to do large dino moves, either clockwise or counterclockwise. It's pretty intuitive. And we're going to alternate between large dino moves and small dino moves. So I know this might get a little bit tedious, but once you hear the rhythm of it, you're going to understand how to get this done. So let's work on the whites. Let's take, for example, this white orange, right? So we're going to go large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, small dino move. Nothing was affected other than this white orange fell into its correct position. Okay, so let's do the, here's a white green. So let's go small dino move, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move. This white green is in its correct position. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so let's do this other white orange. So let's go small dino move, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move. Okay, and this one is in its correct position. Let's work on this one. Small dino move, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move. Now this one says correct position. And you see how that very quickly is everything's falling right into place. Large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, small dino move. Okay, and that one's in its correct position. How about this one? Large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, small dino move. Okay, that one's in its correct position. Small dino move, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move. That one's in its correct position. How about this one? This white green. Large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, small dino move. Okay, just like that. And with just a little bit of rhythm, you can understand how to solve the rest of the cube. All right, so now that we have the top done, let's start working on the middles. Same technique, right? Small dino move, large dino move. Yeah, my fault. Let's go this one. Yeah, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, small dino move. Okay, that one's in its correct position. Let's find something else we can put in quite easily. Okay, let's try this one. Small dino move, large dino, small dino move, large dino move. Okay, that one's in its correct position. How about putting this one here? Small dino move, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move. Okay, let's go ahead and do a setup move. Let's go ahead and try to put this green red all the way over here. Now, I could avoid doing this just by avoiding it altogether and having it shuffle itself out. But if I choose to and I just want to get it closer, all I have to do is do a setup move where I'm going to go from here. I'll bring this piece, this green red. I'm going to bring it from here to here with a small dino move. That's my setup move. Okay, that's the setup move, and I'm going to have to undo that setup move. I have to remember it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it from here to here by going small dino move, large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, right? And now I want to undo my setup move. And if you forget which one it is, it's gonna, all you gotta do is turn this. Okay, and it looks like I've already messed up anyways, where I may have not turned one of these back anyways, so it's no big deal. And if that happens, I don't understand how I even missed that, but you know, if it happens, no big deal. Just turn it right back into position. Okay, just turn these, because it was like this. I don't know how it got like that, but just turn it back into position. It's no big deal. Put this one right back where it belongs with a large dino, small dino, large dino, small dino. This cube is very forgiving. I mean, it's really that easy. Let's go ahead and put this piece into this position where we're just going to go large dino move, small dino move, large dino move, small dino move. There it is. Let's take this piece and put it in this position. Large dino, small dino, large dino, small dino. And just like that, those pieces are in their correct positions. Let's go ahead and put this one in. So we're going to go large dino, small dino, large dino, small dino. From here, we're going to go... we're going to put this piece in this position. Now, I'm not going to turn it so that I'm going to bring this piece out of the way and bring it back here, because that'll turn this piece out of position when I do this. Okay, so I don't want to do that. Let's reset. Instead, I want to bring a, well, this piece is already in, but, or this piece is already in, but, you know, we have not been working on the yellows just yet. We've been working on the middle layer, so it's just ironic that it just happens to be there. But let's go ahead and turn that out of the way with a large dino, small dino, large dino, small dino. Okay. So all the middles are now complete. And what I like to do is I just want to turn the cube upside down so that the white's on the bottom. And we'll start working on, well, let's start working on this green because this one's already complete. So no big deal. Let's go large dino and this, or small dino. And what the reason I want to go this way with it instead of going this way is because this piece is already correct. So just like I showed you previously, let's bring an incorrect piece over here. All right, so that's the small dino, large dino, small dino, large dino. Okay, and then I'll bring the white, green, or yellow, green into position. Oh, this is kind of odd where these two match and these two match and these two match. I've never actually seen that before, but no big deal. It's just a cool little coincidence that happened. So let's go ahead and put this piece into this position with a small dino, large dino, small dino, large dino. Okay, now we have a 3 cycle basically. This one, and this one. Let's see which one has the furthest distance to travel. Well, it looks like it's going to be this yellow-red. It would have to travel from here to here to here. So anytime anything has the furthest distance to travel, you want to meet it in the middle. So let's go ahead and take this piece, put it in this position with a large dino, this piece in this position with a small dino, return that, and return this. And just like that, the mosaic cube is done. Is really super basic, super easy. It looks a whole lot more complex than it really is, but these are one of those cubes where you can definitely impress all of your friends. You know, your friends are just going to be absolutely amazed that you can get this thing solved. Okay, again, sorry about my voice. Hopefully it's going to get better real soon, and you know, it is what it is. But okay, so we'll see you next time on Bearded Cubing 101. Take care.